trying to poop. Oh, come on. That's not what you were doing a minute ago. Trying to poop? Gonna go to sleep now? Then you pushing. Pushing? Pooping? What is a red face? Ooh, doggy. What do you want me to do? What can I do? What can I do to help? How can we help this happen? Good? Yeah, she's good. Alright. Say bye.